namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today we are going to do the 2022 video for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising. So let's see how your 2022 will be. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna do today. So remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So yeah, Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising, let's see what is your message for the year 2022. Sun, Moon and Rising, what is the overall message? What is the general energy for 2022 for Sun, Moon and Rising Aries sign? So spirit guys, please help me. Work with Archangel Raphael. I just heard that Archangel Raphael is working with you. Okay, oh my god, that's a lot. Wait, so let's see. I'm getting your creativity will be at its peak in the year 2022 to use creative ideas. Like yeah, if one door is closed, you will have multiple doors opening up for you, guys. So sometimes we feel like that, oh, where I'm going next, I'm feeling stuck, but there will be different creative solutions you will be getting. Like you will be able to solve relationship problems creatively. You will be able to solve day-to-day life problems creatively. That's what I'm getting, because you're making a connection here with spirit in a way. I feel like that you're getting a lot of creative solutions. So if you're feeling stuck, just close your eyes and sit and ask for guidance. You will receive that guidance. That's what I'm getting here for you guys. So let's see what is the overall energy for you guys for 2022 Aries sign, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, we have, yeah, look, I told you about, like, if you close your eyes, if you ask for guidance, you will receive that guidance. There will be a lot of creative solutions coming your way. And we have this lay of the land, ancestral wisdom, right? A lot of wisdom, a lot of guidance you're receiving this year. So whatever task, if you're feeling like, yeah, I cannot do this task, maybe you feel like I'm not able to do this is not my area, but you will be able to do it creatively. You will be able to accomplish everything. So if you're a person who is like you cannot repair a bike, or you cannot repair a cycle, but it's like you will be able to fix those things that you used to not fix in a way. Like maybe you're someone who is not into electrical stuff. maybe if some electrical stuff gets damaged, you will be able to repair it. I feel like that the things that you didn't do, you're able to fix it now, because you have the wisdom from from your ancestors. Like you're getting a lot of creative solutions. Like, yeah, I can do it simple. Like you will do it. Like for some of you, you are going to surprise yourself in a way like that. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And look, definitely your ancestors are with you this year. Of course they are always with you, but definitely this year they are helping you to achieve the success that you deserve. Okay, look, she's on the top of the mountain, and her hands, it's like she's like, yeah, I did it. Like that kind of energy here. So yeah, 2022 is like you'll be making things happen for yourself. Like the things that you thought that were not possible for you, you're going to make it happen. So it's like the past year, like some, I in my case, I never thought that I will have a YouTube channel. So that's the thing. Like maybe you're going to do the things that you never thought you would have. So that's what I'm getting for 2022. So you are going to surprise yourself in a way, right? Yeah, you're going to do something that you never thought that you would. You might have seen other people doing it, you might have admired other people for that, but you never thought that you will do it. But here you are doing it. So that's something I'm getting. So yeah, there is this, I'm getting, this is going to surprise you. You will be surprised by yourself. So something is unlocking, definitely a lot of wisdom. You're getting a lot of wisdom, a lot of guidance. You're understanding something about yourself. So that's something I'm getting. And yes, and if you have a goal in your mind, If you have a goal in your mind, you will be able to accomplish that goal. But I feel like that the way you're going, the way you want to go is not going to be the way. It will be a little bit different than you anticipate right now. But you will reach your goal. You will reach the thing you want. What you want, you will reach, you will get it, but in a different way. That's something I'm getting here, okay? So don't be stubborn. Receive the guidance, take action, because your intuition is going to be very strong and your ancestors are around you. They are guiding you at every step in 2022. So listen to them. And we have 34 number, and it reduces to 7, and 7 is all about like seeking the knowledge, getting that wisdom, meditating, getting answers while meditating, getting the guidance, learning a lot of things, right? So yeah, this year is of learning, understanding a lot of things, changing your perception about who you are. Like that's what is changing. I feel like the concept that you have about yourself is going to change. Yeah, that's what I feel like. You'll be like, yes, I have this quality, and I didn't know it about myself, and you're like, yeah, I can do this. Like something about you are unlocking. Yeah, I feel like you're building your character, you're strengthening your image in a way. You will be trusting yourself more. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Yeah, something that you thought that you will never be able to make it, you're going to make it happen in 2022. That's something I'm getting here. Wow, that's amazing. So let's see. I feel like the wisdom, the ancestral wisdom is within you. You are going to unlock it in 2022. Yeah, I feel like you're making this connection with the spirit realm, and you're going to get a lot of guidance. A lot of intuitive messages. Use moon phases for your benefit in 2022. I feel like that it will be very beneficial for you guys at that time, and you can manifest at that time, as well as you can let go of the things that you don't want in your life during the waning phases. Yeah, so yeah, that's something I'm getting here. Use moon phases to your benefit. Yes, that's what you need to do. And yeah, lot of things are going to unlock for you guys. You will understand about yourself more and more and more. This is a year of you understanding yourself, your own gifts. You're unlocking your own talents, your own capabilities, unlocking the ancestral wisdom that you have within you. So yeah, that's something. Let's see. Everything is connected. You are understanding that your past is connected to your present is connected to your future. So everything is connected. The universe is connected. We are one. You're getting into that oneness energy as well. I'm getting that. You are understanding that this year. Yes. Look, we have unity and we have relax. You are seeing the world from a different eyes. That's what I'm getting here. The first thing is like, so don't procrastinate on the things. Take action, because these things will make you move forward. So something you're going to unlock. Yeah, you know this, I need to work on this thing, but you're procrastinating about it. If that is the case, don't procrastinate. Don't procrastinate, go for it, because that thing will give you a lot of success, a lot of happiness. Yeah, so with this unity card, look, it's like seeing the world from a child view. Like children are so innocent, right? Yeah, so that's what I feel like. You're getting into that beginner stage. It's like a new birth for you guys, seeing things entirely differently. You're seeing the universe from a different level. You know, your concept about life is changing. How life is, how life should be, everything is shifting. Your perception is entirely shifting, guys. That's what I feel like. You're getting, I feel like it's like you're connecting with the universe. You're getting one with the universe. You're understanding the laws of universe, how universe works. And you're like, why I didn't have this information? It's like clicking for you guys. Something is clicking, and you're understanding. It's like a new birth for you guys, entirely new birth. Like getting a lot of ancestral wisdom, like getting a lot of knowledge, new information, and it is going to change your world. Like the way you saw the world is going to be entirely different this year, the way you're seeing in 2022. So things are shifting inside of you. There is a lot of change. The way you look at things, the way you see things now is going to be entirely different from your past. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here. For some of you with this look, they're holding hands. For some of you, you might be meeting someone from your past, and you might have a bond, or maybe some childhood friends you will be meeting, you will be connecting when you will be traveling. So for some of you that's possible, but definitely this is you uniting with the universal energy. I'm getting one with universe, tapping into the guidance of the universe, connecting with the universe, like getting that guidance, right? So that's what I'm getting. You're connecting with your higher self, you're receiving the guidance messages from the higher self, you're understanding everything about the universe, that you don't have to chase, you can attract. Right now I feel like in 2022 you're going to attract, not chase. Right, that's what I'm getting. Yeah, relax. With this relax card, I feel like you're understanding it's okay to relax, it's okay to take break. You don't have to work so hard every day. You know, sometimes we need to be in the vibration to achieve the success, right? So I feel like that you are going to be in that vibration and then work hard. Sometimes, you know what happens, we work hard a lot and we don't get the results because we are not in the energy, we are not in the vibration. That's why it is not coming. And for you guys, you're understanding that what mistake you were doing, why you were not getting that success. Finally, your concept about things is entirely shifted. So a lot of new information, expect new information, new way of thinking, new way of life, new way of seeing yourself. The way you see yourself is entirely different now. Yeah, so 2022 is like inner shift you are having, and a lot. And when our inner shift, as I tell this every time, you know, when our inner shifts, the outer external also shifts, and that's what is happening. So I feel like this year will be very relaxing for you guys. You will not be stressing too much because you are tapping into the information, you're tapping into the you're connecting with the universe, you're getting one with the universe. So why you have to stress? You will be in this relaxed state. That's what I'm getting. Tapping into the knowledge, wisdom of the universe, getting one with it. Oh my god, let's see what the tarot has to add to this. And when you are in this higher vibration, you fly, and that's what is happening for you guys. Yeah, so a lot of new information, expect that. And you'll be surprised by the information, and something is going to click for you guys. That's what I'm getting here in 2022. For some of you, it's like spiritually you're growing a lot. I feel like you will be meditating a lot. As for some of you, yoga, I'm seeing you will be practicing that, or if you're doing it already, it is going to advance for sure. I heard Mother Earth Gaia, maybe connect with her to ground, because this will be a lot of information that will be pouring onto you. So you need to ground yourself as well. Lot of information, a lot of guidance is coming for you guys in 2022. Things are looking good. Yeah, so let's see for Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising. For Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising, what is the message for 2022? Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising. I'm just attracted to this white color, and for me white color is all about peace, right? And that's what is happening. Yeah, full of peace. Wow. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, balancing things, like working with the universe. You do the part, universe will do the other part. That's what I'm getting here with this Two of Pentacles. A lot of balance inside, a lot of harmony. When we are balanced inside, then outer will be definitely balanced, right? So that is the thing. Oh yeah, look, we have the Death card here, and then we have the Knight of Cups. Major transformation, definitely. The end of one chapter, the end of you. You are this is a new birth for you guys. The concept that you had about yourself is ending. That's what is ending, right? You had a concept of yourself that I will be this person, I am this person, I can achieve this much only. That is what is ending. Now you are a new person, entirely different person. Your view for life is different. This is a new birth for you guys. This is a new face, new you are a new person, right? And I'm very attracted to this time. So take one step at a time, because you have lot to explore, like lot of things. You will know a lot of things, new information. So the things that you didn't know before, you're going to tap into. As I told you, you're going to tap into new information. You're getting one with universe. So a chapter has ended. Yeah, a phase of your life has ended. Finally, the past is gone. Now it's a new you who is tapping, who is working with the universe, right? This person is working with the universe. They are doing their part, and rest universe will do. So they're maintaining that balance. Yeah, like you're very patient also. You will, like the ships, you will wait for the ships to arrive so you can get it. You're not going to chase anything, you're going to attract things. That's what I feel like strongly. And with this Knight of Cups energy also, healing abilities, you're understanding your own healing abilities, your own gifts, and you're loving yourself in a way. For some of you, I feel like you're loving yourself, taking care of yourself. And we have unity, and we have Knight of Cups. For some of you, this can be a water sign person, or maybe a past person who you are reuniting with. That's something I'm getting. Or maybe a hobby of yours, or maybe a friend of yours who you are uniting in 2022. You can expect that as well with this Knight. And we have this childhood friend, you're connecting with them, right? For some of you, yeah, maybe this person, for some of you this might be in romantic interest. For some of you, for others it's like a person who will be of value, who will give you a lot of new information. That is also I'm getting here. So a lot of sweet energy is also there. Like this person will bring a lot of sweetness, a lot of happiness into your life, right? Yeah. If you're single, definitely meeting someone, it's like, I'm not getting a new energy. It's like someone you knew from your childhood, but you don't have any contact. Like again, you're contacting. Again, this person is contacting you, and you're making a connection. So yeah, things are going to balance for you guys. There is a lot of balance. Definitely. Okay. End of a chapter, new chapter, entirely you. It's the new you. It's a new version of you. So you might be changing your style a lot, maybe style something outer. Inner is definitely changing. Maybe you'll be changing something outer also, like the way you dress, like the way you have the hair and all. So that's quite possible. So yeah, that's interesting. And for some of you, definitely this person is very romantic. This childhood person might be very flirty with you. That's also I'm feeling like it. Okay. And if you're in a relationship, I feel like that relationship will be very well balanced. And it's like, because you're changing, I feel like if you're in a committed relationship, your relationship will get strengthened in a way. That's also quite possible here. Let's see what else. For Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising, you're going to be in your power. You're not going to give your power to anyone, definitely. You have the wisdom from the universe. You have the ancestral wisdom. So how? No one can take your power from you, because you're understanding things from a different level, right? That you didn't understand before, right? Your mind is changing. You're changing the way I told you, your self image is changing, definitely. I feel like this is a year about you changing your own self, like strengthening your self image, building character, getting disciplined, understanding things from a different level, right? What you know what mistakes you're doing. And yeah, that's what, because you're guided at every step. That's so cool. Things are shifting for you guys. I feel like for some of you, there will be a lot of emotions that will be surfacing in the 2022 about your past, like your childhood or something like that. And that's why I'm getting like maybe you will be connecting something with your childhood. Maybe there was an issue that has to be resolved and you're resolving it in 2022. Okay, sometimes we forget about the past, like about the childhood, and it was a block for you guys, but finally you're realizing what is it, and you'll be able to heal it. Okay, so let's see. There's lot. So let's see once more. Okay, yeah, wow, we have right order, assistance. I told you, assistance is there, universe is there, your ancestors are there. You don't have to do anything by yourself in the year 2022. That's what I'm getting here, you know. Look, we have the assistance card. You are assisted by divine, by your ancestor, by spirit guides, by angels. Everyone is there to assist you. You don't have to do anything by yourself. With this Two of Pentacles energy, I was getting that strongly, like you do your part, rest universe will do, and everything will be balanced, because your energy, you're tapping into the energy of universe, you're working with the energy of universe, you're one with the universe, and so you do your work, rest universe too. So you don't have to do anything by yourself. You're getting the guidance, you're taking action. And life becomes easy when we do that, right? And that's what I'm getting here for you guys. And look, right order, everything will be in right order for you guys. So yeah, you're tapping into the wisdom of ancestors, and you're getting the guidance. You have this clear guidance, and everything will be in the right order as it should be, right? So you will be given the things that you deserve. Everything will be okay for you guys. Yeah, with this right order, look here the emotions are like full. If we see the fractal, like the emotions are like high and low, and then the emotions are like it's not scattered anymore. So that's also I'm getting. So maybe you will start with your 2022 with a lot of emotions, feeling heavy, but finally you will be feeling in right order. It's like inside of you will be feeling right, like everything is okay, everything is balanced. So yeah, if you have like if you're worrying about something, that how it will happen, if you're worrying about it, you don't have to worry about it, because everything will be in the right order for you guys. Everything will be in the right order. You don't have to worry about anything, your relationship, your work, whatever you want, the goal, what you want, what you deserve is going to happen. Everything will be in the correct order. It will be for everyone's highest good. Okay, understand that. So that's the thing. And you can look up now because you're winning. I'm getting you're winning, right? So everything is okay for you guys. Don't worry. Let's see. If you're worried about an outcome, don't worry, because everything will be in the right order. And when this card comes, you know, it's like, yeah, I have experienced in my life. And whenever this comes, it's like everything will be good. You don't have to worry at all. Yeah, journey. Definitely things are changing for you guys. Maybe you will go to a place where you used to live, where you grew, and you might meet this person. As I told, there will be travel. There will be travel for you guys in 2022. And for some of you, it's like spiritual travel. Spiritually, you are moving forward. For others, it can be physical, but definitely you are connecting with your past, you're understanding your past, you are understanding what is the blockage, and you're able to resolve it. That's something I'm getting here. So a journey, right? A new phase of your life. I told you, this is a new phase, a new you. It's like when we move to a new country, everything is new. When we move to a new home, everything is new. That's the energy I'm getting. Everything is new, right? So that's the energy here. And again, we have the death card and journey card here, right? And we have the 10 number. Yeah, completing a cycle, moving on to a new one. So let's see what else. Let your friends help you. Okay, maybe for some of you, you might be really shifting to a new place, so ask help from your friends. And for some of you, I'm feeling like your friends is your universe, so ask help from universe, they will give you the help. I don't know, that is also I'm getting here, but definitely your friends are there. Ask from help from the people who you connect with, right? From your partner, from your friends, from your children. Ask help. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Ask help from universe. You don't have to do anything by yourself. You do your part, rest, universe will take care of it. Okay. Or maybe for some of you, with this friend, you're connecting with a childhood friend, and this friend will help you, will guide you. Yeah, that's something I'm getting here. A connection, definitely a connection is happening here. A childhood connection, or maybe you have a best friend from your childhood, and I feel like this relationship is strengthening more and more. Okay, be there for them as well in 2022. If your friends need you, be there for them. Okay, so let's see. Maybe for some of you, with this journey and friends, maybe your friend is moving in your city or area, and it will make you happy. So that's also quite possible. Let's see. Playfulness, yeah. Oh, like with this childlike energy, maybe for some of you, if you are in a long-term relationship, I feel you will be like the time when you met first. As I told you, your energy is shifting, the way you look at things is shifting, you are becoming the new version of yourself. And so I feel like your relationship will be also very new for you guys. It's like you're meeting for the first time, like that kind of playfulness and all. I'm getting that energy as well from you guys. So a lot of playful energy, a lot of laughter I see for you guys in 2022, making jokes, making fun, teasing people, laughing a lot, doing fun activities, like doing crazy activities. That's something I'm getting here. Playing games with people, like we play Ludo and all. I just don't know, like it's like a lot of fun filled 2020. I feel like with your friends, enjoying with your friends, enjoying with your partner, not worrying about the stuff that you can't handle, right? Sometimes there are things out of our control, so you're not going to worry about those things, right? So you're going to be a completely different person in 2022. That's what I'm getting here. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. So let's see what else for you guys. If you're single, definitely there is a person coming, and yeah, that is also coming strongly here. Maybe it will start out as a friend. It will start out as a friend only. Right now I feel like that. Maybe this person will be very playful with you, very flirty. So let's see what else. Oh wow, look at it. Lord Ganesh, infinite abundance, obstacles are being removed, spiritual support and connections are increasing, right? I told you, assistance. You are assisted at every step in 2022. There is no doubt now. Look, we have downloads and understanding, right? I told you, you're tapping into the wisdom of the universe, of the ancestors. You're getting guidance at every step of your life. In your dreams also, you're getting that guidance. Wow, nice, I like it. And look, with this Ganesh, maybe for some of you, you're devotees of Ganesh, you believe in Ganesh, you work with Ganesh. If that is the case, the obstacles that you have is been removed, because you are working with the universe, right? You're not stressing, so the manifestations you wanted is coming. Like maybe you were the obstacle. Because of your overthinking, you used to delay your own manifestation, but that's ending now, because you are understanding how manifestations work, how you can tap into the energies of the universe, how to work with the universe, how to co-create with the universe, like how to be patient. Like that's something I'm getting. Something is clicking, like that button is on in 2022. Something is clicking and you will be like, yeah, that's why this is not happening, and you're changing it. Definitely growth is happening for you guys in every area of your life, I think, in 2022. So let's see. Ganesh is there. Obstacles are removed. Now you can move forward, right? There's a lot of assistance for you guys. Wow, I like this reading. Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising. So let's see what is your message for 2022. Oh, look, surprise! A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So yes, with this, so if you are singles, definitely there will be, as I told you, there is someone coming your way, and definitely with this, look, with this surprise, you are going to surprise yourself. I told you, you're going to you are going to surprise yourself. That's for sure. I feel like that. And you know, and at the end of 2022, you will be like, yeah, damn, like, oh my God, you will be like reviewing your 2022, and you will be like, yeah, hell yeah, I had this much inside of me. Why I didn't knew this before? Like, that's the energy I'm getting, like, for you guys. You're going to be surprising yourself, and of course, people around you are also going to be surprised by you. So yes, let's see. There is a surprise element for you guys, definitely, because you're connecting with the universe. So let's see the affirmation for you guys, and then we will do the charms as well. So let's see the affirmations for you guys for 2022. If you want to write it down, write it down. Okay, if you feel like it, if you feel called to. Okay, we got 2. Okay. Everything I touch is a success. Yes, yes, yes. Everything I touch is a success, guys. Yes, you're working with the universe and so use this affirmation, guys. Use this affirmation. Everything I touch is a success. Here. I now establish a new awareness of success. I know I can be as successful as I make up my mind to be. I move into the winning circle. Golden opportunities are everywhere for me. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. Yes. And the next affirmation, like if you want to take a screenshot, I just recommend this because this is such a beautiful affirmation. Right, I'm willing to let go. Yes, you're willing to let go of the self, like the past self. You're not going to be the same person anymore. This is a rebirth. A rebirth for you guys. Rebirth. Aries, Sun, Moon and Rising, rebirth. You are the new person, and there is no need for you to take that old person. Let go of that. Yeah, you have the same body. Everything is same, but you are a different person from inside. And I release others to experience whatever is meaningful to them, and I am free to create that which is meaningful to me. Yes, you're releasing people, you're letting go of situation that is not serving you. You are the new you. That's what I'm getting. And if you want this affirmation, write it down. I'm willing to let go, or take a screenshot. Okay, so let's do the charms. Yeah, letting go is important here for you guys. Letting go. Oh, we have a C, and it was like attached to C. Maybe C, maybe someone with the name C, they have C starting C, initial as C or something like that. You need to let go of this person. Yeah, let go of the concept of yourself that is not going to, yeah, you are letting go of the concept of yourself. You are changing the way you look at yourself. That's something I'm getting here. Wow, we had Ganesh here, and we got Krishna as well. Wow, guys, you're so blessed. Oh my God, you're so blessed. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. You're blessed. Ganesha is here, Krishna is here. Blessed. You're blessed. That's what, you're blessed at every step of your life. So don't worry if you are encountering an obstacle. If there is an obstacle, that means it is for your highest good. You will receive all the abundance that you want, right? So wow, that's so beautiful here. So again we have a C here. Okay, sorry, we have a S. Yeah, we have C, 2 C's. C, maybe C is important. Maybe C. Yeah, S, we have S. we have yeah, a wish is coming true. A wish is definitely coming true. We have the wishbone here, and look, we have the snake. Yeah, letting like the concept that you had about yourself, you're letting go of that concept. This is a new you. Like the snake sheds their skin, and while shedding, it pains a lot. It will pain, but this will be the best thing that you will do. Like empowering yourself, gaining that confidence, moving ahead, charging ahead, having that power. Don't hang on to the relationship that is not working out. Don't hang on to the past you. That's what I'm getting. Like something is opening up, something is clicking for you guys. Yeah, because you are letting go of the BS. Yeah, you're not into that shit anymore. Wow, like, yeah, look at, she's so happy. Wow, why didn't know this information before? Like, you'll be like that. Wow, you'll be so happy to get that all informations. Yeah, teacup, like the coffee, feeling relaxed, feeling peaceful. Yeah, colors, painting the colors of your own choice. Making your dream life come true with the help of universe. So yeah, that's for Aries. What a beautiful reading you had. So take care, guys. I hope you have all the luck. I hope you have amazing year. Aries. This reading made me so happy. So I'm just sending you that vibration, that happiness. I hope you have all the amazing things in your life. Okay, so take care, guys. Bye bye.